Now there are some mathematical miracles of the Quran. Throughout all the Quran, if you count some specific words, you will come across to very meaningful results. I would like to give you some examples. For instance, if you count the word punishment in the Holy Quran, throughout the whole Quran it is repeated some 117 times. Whereas the word forgive is repeated some 234 times inside the whole Quran. 234, if you multiply 117 by 2, you're going to have 234. It is very meaningful. Why? Because Quranic morality, Allah recommends, Allah orders believers, Allah orders Muslims to forgive rather than punishing. It is very meaningful. Moreover, Allah orders to our Prophet, say, it is repeated some 332 times. And the response, they said, it is again equally repeated some 332 times. The words world and hereafter, they are repeated 115 times equally. Devil and angel, those two words are equally repeated some 88 times. Now, heaven and hell, those two words are equally repeated 77 times. Zakat, it is repeated 32 times, and the barakah, the blessing, is repeated 32 times. It is equally repeated. It is very meaningful again. Now, summer, hot, and winter, cold, those words are equally repeated 5 times. And richness and poverty, those two words, it is very interesting. Richness is repeated 26 times, whereas the poverty is half of 26, which is 13. And woman and man, those are repeated equally 23 times. Well, do you know any idea what those numbers represent? Now again, these repetition numbers are very meaningful, and it clearly represents us and gives us good scientific evidences that the Holy Quran is word of Allah. And it cannot be, definitely can't be, a scripture of a man. This is not possible.
Darkness and green, it is your light that we need. You came to teach us how to live.